Azure API Management, Auto-Scaling. Azure API Management Auto-Scaling is a feature that automatically adjusts the capacity of your API management instance to handle varying traffic loads. It ensures that your API management environment can handle increased demand during traffic spikes and efficiently scale down during periods of lower traffic. Key capabilities: elastic scaling. Azure API Management can dynamically scale its resources, such as the number of gateway instances, to meet the demand of incoming requests. When the load increases, it can add more resources, and when the load decreases, it can release resources. Traffic-based scaling. Auto-scaling can be configured based on traffic metrics like request rate, response time, or message size. You define rules that trigger scaling actions when these metrics reach certain thresholds. Cost efficiency. Auto-scaling helps optimize costs by ensuring you're not over-provisioned during low traffic periods and avoiding performance issues during high traffic spikes. Manual scaling. In addition to auto-scaling, you can also manually scale your API management instance when you anticipate specific events, such as a traffic surge during a product launch. How to configure auto-scaling? 1. Access the Azure portal. Log into the Azure portal and navigate to your Azure API management instance. 2. Access auto-scaling settings. Go to the auto-scaling settings section in the Azure portal. 3. Define scaling rules. Create rules that specify the conditions for scaling. For example, you can set rules to add more gateway instances when the request rate exceeds a certain threshold. 4. Set scaling actions. Specify what actions should be taken when a rule's conditions are met. You can define actions like adding or removing gateway instances or modifying other resources. 5. Enable auto-scaling. Activate auto-scaling for your API management instance. Summary: Azure API Management Auto-Scaling dynamically adjusts the capacity of your API management instance to handle varying traffic loads. It offers elastic scaling, traffic-based scaling, cost efficiency, and manual scaling options. Auto-scaling can be configured through the Azure portal by defining scaling rules, actions, and enabling the feature. Thanks for watching.